Hello everyone, welcome back to Integrated Arts. Today I am sharing a video of DIY using cardboards. If you have not subscribed my channel, please consider to subscribe it. Also press bell icon for new updates. Then let's start the video. Here I have taken two cardboards. I have applied POP first and dried it completely. I applied gesso on this. So this DIY I am going to make with decoupage paper. So we'll cut the paper wherever we want to patch it. I am going to cut this paper by using hands. If we cut this paper using scissors, then it will not give the natural look. Now I am going to patch it with decoupage magic glue. So first apply magic glue, then we'll patch this paper. Now with the help of card we'll patch this paper. If you have a dry brush, we can use that as well. The same way I am going to apply this decoupage glue on the paper also. The part of the paper I have distributed. A separate piece of a paper I am attaching here. Apply glue on the paper too. Now let this dry. Once it is dried, we'll use the combination of color to merge with this paper. I am using all the colors present in the paper and merging with each other. For this DIY, I am using chalk paint. I am simply dapping the color with the help of sponge or any brush. We just need to merge the colors with the paper so that it should look the same environment. Now using permanent marker, I am going to rewrite on the prints. In this side, we have an empty place. I am going to write one note on this. And it is hence proved. These paper bag ropes I am using at this side of the cardboard to hide the ugly part of it. And this is the final look. Apply varnish once the art is done. And then beautify your corners of home by using this DIY arts. And the second DIY using cardboard again, I am going to make one hanging wall decor. For these cardboards also, I have applied first POP, then I applied gesso. Once it is dried, I have applied black gesso on this. And with the help of pencil, I trace the prints. Using acrylic colors, I am going to paint these prints. I have used here red acrylic color. Remember, whenever we are going to print something, add little water into that paint and it will be very slurry to write. You can easily write whatever you want with the help of paint. By just using cardboards, we can beautify our corners of home in many ways. It's my approach that to do these small things, we don't have to be an artist. Just do the things which you love to do. Do the things which makes you happy. For the other plants too, I am going to write in the same way. I am using here chalk paint. After watching this video, please let me know in the comment box how you felt about this DIYs, and if you have any idea about DIYs, then do consider to let me know. I will make sure I can make it. or if you follow my videos for DIYs, then if you tried, please send me the photos of your DIYs. I will be very happy to see it. I personally feel simple things makes life more beautiful. I have made similar DIYs before by using wooden planks. I have given the link in the description box for your reference. And the second DIY is also ready. Corners of these cardboards I am using a rope. I have sticked them with the help of hot glue gun. Now to hang it on a wall, we want to stick one rope behind it. I have drawn one line with the help of pencil where I want to stick this rope. The behind rope I am going to stick with the Fevicol. Keep it for drying. And here is the final look. If you like the DIYs, then do let me know in the comment box. Give thumbs up to appreciate us. Subscribe to meet again. Thanks for watching.